Okay, now students, today I start our revision session for the chapter 1 set theory. First of all, I going to students easy and small questions to related our textbook related questions. So you write down the first questions. In the set A, given x such that x belongs to z, x raised to 4 minus 16 is equal to 0, then asking what is the possible sets. Students, possible sets you declare for x raised to 4 minus 16. So you know that 16 is a which number? Raised to 4. I will write down raised to square. Here x square, but here 4. It means you have to two factors, x square plus 4 and x square minus 4. One more factor you will declare after that, x plus 2, x minus 2. And the same is, now your question asking belongs to z and they're going to simple form in the value for x. So x square plus 4 0, otherwise x plus 2 is equal to 0, otherwise x minus 2 is equal to 0. You check, these are x square is equal to minus 4, but any square term is never negative. Admit the numbers, admit, first button. X square minus 4 is equal to 0. इसमें कुछ नहीं करना, यहाँ दिख रहा, ये एडमिट करना है, यहाँ से ये एडमिट दिख रहा है, इसको भी कुछ नहीं करना. Okay, now students, here x is equal to minus 2 and here x is equal to 2. You check, square number is never negative, means it is does not exist. Finally, this answer and this answer, my answer for belongs to z. That's why I written here minus 2 belongs to z and 2 belongs to z. So your set A is ready, students. Only and only my answer is a minus 2 comma 2. And that's your answers. Now after that I moving towards next questions. You write down properly. I going very slowly. One more questions. If a set A is y belongs to n and y cube minus 27 is 0, then which statement is true? Yes, then find out true statement. Here option is printed there, so you will define by option wise. Here option is 9 belongs to A, minus 3 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A and minus 9 belongs to A. First of all, students, I just going to y cube minus 27, A cube minus B cube. You know that 27 is a which whole cube? 27 is a whole cube for 3. Now here two factors, y minus 3, y square plus 3y plus 9. According to this property, a cube plus b cube, I mean a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. And look at that, our target is what? Y belongs to n. It means by natural numbers. So y minus 3 is 0, y is equal to 3. Check, it is a natural number. Yes, it is natural number. And here y square plus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. They have no splitting. So my answer is only and only set A have 3. So which option you will tick? Option is your 3 belongs to A. Therefore, my correct option is C, which have 3 belongs to A. And that's why my answer is second, easily, happily done. Yes, now students, you properly write down first. I will go to second one. I again repeat, all of you visible the board clearly, students? Just give your reply. Students, please give your reply. Thank you beta. Now I will go to third questions. Question number 3. In the revision sessions, I will take here all our IMP related questions, and these questions are IMP for your coming exam. Right, the third one. Third also very interesting. You just define your correct statement. Set of B is a singleton set, then dash dash dash. Here must be depend on options. First option is B is the null set. Second, B is a finite set. Third, B is an infinite set. And last, B is not a set. Just define what is the question given. Question is a singleton set. Means how many members are there? How many members are there here? Anybody? Number of element B is a 1. And 1 element you find out that. Therefore your answer is what? It is a finite set. That's your answer. Therefore set B is a finite set. You can't write down it is a null set. It is a one element given in the set of B. That's why we write down B is a finite set. Continue towards the next questions. Fourth one. Fourth also very interesting. In the number of elements for the power set, number of elements in the power set of given set A, which have A x such that belongs to n and x square less than 9. And this question also I will explain by first of all set A define. After that we defined the power sets. You just look these conditions. What they indicate? They indicate x square value below the 9 in the natural number. So I will start if x become 1, then x square less than 9, 1 square less than 9, 1 less than 9. Say it is true or false? Definitely true. 1 less than 9 is true. So this solution is correct. One more, if natural number going to 2, again you will check, put down the 2 and my value verify 4 less than 9. Yes, again which is true. So till up to I will calculate true. That's your set defined. So I start my natural number. 1 put it, definitely true. 2 put it, definitely true. Now 3 put it and check them which is true or not. So in the third value, take down if x is equal to 3, then x square less than 9, 3 square less than 9. Anybody? Which is true or false? 9 less than 9 is true or false? Anyone? Nobody knows 9 less than 9? Which is false. So after that, more than 3, we can't putting the solutions. Because if you 4 taking 4 square less than 9, 16 and 16 less than 9 is not true. So my true sides is only that set of A elements which have 1 and 2, and my target is number of elements in the power set. So in power set of A elements, formula is a 2 raised to n, and n put at your 2 elements, 2 raised to 2, which have 4 elements, and that's 4 your answer. Your option is printed, your option is given according to questions. I will write down that 9, 4, 1, 8, and my option is correctly only and only 8, and that's your simple answer. Now one more questions which is a IMP for many time asking in exam. Question number 5. For the set R of a real number, which one of the following true is incorrect, not true, sorry, incorrect? You will define according to options which is incorrect. So very easy, I just show my options. N subset R, second AB subset R, A less than B. Next, pi is not belongs to R, and D null set subset R, and that's your questions given to options wise. This is not easy, all 4 options one by one I explain you. First of all, you check which option is true. Anyone? Because my target is incorrect, I will define incorrect. But anybody, you just say which option is true. You say in the options true sides, I just declare 2 true points. Anybody? Students, just tell me. Nobody knows? Which one better? True. I asking true. N subset R is true, no? Because N, W, Z, Q, irrational and real. So that points you known. Natural number is a subset of a real number. Correct? Second something understood? Yes, second is also true. Because you know that just like I write down pair 3, 4 belongs to either subset of R cross R, either one element for real number, second element for real number, surely this point are subset to R. This also true. Now last also true. Null set is a subset of every set. Null set is subset of every set. That already I explained you. It means false statement is this. Why this? Anybody know pi is our going to Q part or I part? I mean rational or irrational? Anybody know pi is rational or irrational? Irrational. It means one of the parts of R, no? Pi is a parts of R, and here mention not belongs to R. It means this statement is false, and that's why I will tick these options and mention the reason. Pi is irrational, therefore it is an element of R. Pi belongs to R, but in textbook questions printed not belongs to R. That's why my false statement is C and your tick mark C. But properly mention these all points one by one. Okay, students? Afterwards, going to next questions. Sixth one. Sixth also very interesting questions. Just given of which set A 1 2 3 4, set B -1 1 0 -2 2, and set C 1 3 4 are subset for the options. Yes, this question also, students, depend on the options. My options is a close bracket 1 to 4, close bracket -1 to 4, close bracket -2 to 2, and close bracket -2 to 4. Anybody? Just define your answers according to subsets. Which option is tick mark? These all sets are present in these options. Very easy. Say which are the smallest number in this all three sets? Smallest number. And what is the highest number in all four? Smallest is a -2 and highest is a 4. So your answer is -2, 4. These all points are present in these parts. So your option is a correctly. Answer is close bracket 2 to close bracket 4. These parts all present here. A also present in this part, B also present, and C also present. So I will write down here A is a subset of -2 4, B is a subset of, and C is a subset of. That's why I tick mark this answer. Because what is my question? According to following A, B, C, all are the subsets of which parts? The given intervals. Okay, students. Now moving toward next questions. Seventh also, IMP to board exam. Either your exam. For the interval open bracket -1 but close bracket 1, which one is correct? This also depend on options, students. My first option is a -1 belongs to, second 0 belongs to, third -1 to 1 of close bracket is equal to, and last D -1 to 1 close bracket is equal to null set. And you define what is the correct. Okay, all of you clear the interval sets? I explained already in the textbook intervals. Just here read which interval given, open bracket, and that is the close bracket. So meaning for open and close, I again explain here, students. My question is that plot on the number line. Here a -1 and here a +1. This is a shaded point. Why make shaded? Anybody known why I taking A in the shaded portions? Because here printed what? Close bracket. It means it is a countable. Between all number countable. Between all number means here 0 included. These are the countable. Up to that, here close but here open. -1 is not countable. Now one by one I will check which is the correct. First check. -1 is correct. Anybody? Just you tell me it is correct or not. -1 belong these intervals? Students, I just want to your reply. A said -1 belongs to minus 1 to 1, no, it is not belong, because there is no element in this shading portion. It is a false, because minus 1 is not belong. Your interval exactly belong to that. 1 also present, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 up to all present, minus 0.1, minus 0.2 also present. In this way that is a present, it means this is the false. So this answer is not your correct answer. Second check, your second option is true. Students, tell me it is true or not. 0 is a member of this drawing. Students, please tell me, 0 is an element of this drawing or not? Yes, it is an element. So it is a true statement. It means that's your answer. But I also explain about to C and D. C option check, numerical done. This is your answer. But I explain about to C also. What is the C? Open bracket minus 1 to 1 close bracket is only that member. Only 2 members are present here? No, there are many numbers, just like a 0, minus 1 not present but 1 present, 0.1 present, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Indirectly it is false. Here only given these 2 members only. No, minus 1 also not present there. And last, D, minus 1 to 1 close bracket is a null set. That also false, because they have the sum element 0 present, 1 present, and between all number present to 0 to 1 and minus 1 to 0, but not including minus 1. So your correct answer is what? B. So you tick mark in the B your correct answers and properly mention your drawing. Understood, students? Very good. Now move to the next questions. 8th one. I again repeat, this all are most IMP questions, and not given in your textbook but asking in the exam. Now continue. Question number 8. According to given Venn diagram, you decided which option is true. Question is, from the given Venn diagram, select the correct statement. Drawing is given in your questions. My element is there. Here is a universal set U, that is A, B. A set have 4, 7, 3, 2, 6, 5 and 1, and options given. So you will decide it according to option, students. So my option is there. You say answer. I only write down the option. Set A 1, 3, 4, 7. Check it is true. 1, 3, 4, 7. 1. 1 is not element of A. This is not true. Second, U is 1 to 7. This is false statement, students. Check. U is 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yes, it is your true statement. Next, C option also I will write down for your better understanding. A union B 4, 7, 2, 6 and D, B is a null set. Which elements are A union B? Students, just tell me A union B elements. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Here 3 not written, so this also false. And B have null set? No, they have some elements. 2, 3, 6. This also false. Means my correct answer is B, and B you tick mark with the solutions. Yes. Now moving towards one more questions. Similarly, you decided your answers. Same is to 8th one, related 9th one. Question is, using the Venn diagram, select incorrect statement. Here asking correct statement, but now I asking here incorrect. Using given Venn diagram, select the incorrect statement. Means you defined by false statement. Here given only drawing first drawing set of A, set of B, and elements are printed to universal U. Here C, D, F, G, E, B, A, and options are there, students. This question only and only depend the options. Yes, my A option is CD, FG, B is null set, U is ABCD, EFG, and last A union B is CDFG. These are the given, and check which option is false. I give you time, half minute, and decide, students, which is the incorrect statement. Anybody tell your answers? No beta, screen is clearly here in my mobile. Other students have problem?
No sir, no.
Yes, that means beta your network is issue. B is null set. Who is telling B is null set? Why? Why say B is null set? Incorrect. What is the correct? Okay, tell your answer, students. See, B is null set. You are right, because B is actually with set FG. Actually, correct is B is a FG is correct, and in your option printed null set, it means this is the incorrect. So you tick mark B, absolutely right. But other option also I check. A is a CDFG, check in a full circle A, CDFG, yes, which is true. You check A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, yes, this also true. And last, A union B, just check A union B, it means this shading beta, A, B, full union. Which elements are covered to A union B? CDFG, CDFG, yes, correct. So this is your first true, third true, last true. It means B is false. Why false? Understood? Because correct is a BFG, but here printed B is a null set. All of you understood, students? Now I going ahead, moves to next questions 10. Today I taking very short numericals to related your set theory. Now continue. U is a universal x such that x belongs to n and less than 10. Set A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Set B 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then asking A union B the dash. This option is asking that. And options are U universal, only B, null set, and 1, 4, 7, 8. Students, it's also very interesting questions. First of all, you tell me which element for the U. Anyone? Element for U? Natural number up to less than or equal to 10. So U I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you just say what is the A union B? Anybody? This A and this B, both union. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a universal. 7, 8, 9, 10. It means U. But I want to what? A union B complement. It means universal complement, which is null set. And null set is your answer. Universal dash means what? U minus U. And that's why this answer is what? Null sets. Now continue. Move to next questions. 11th one. 11th also very interesting questions. In the given set A 1, 3, 5, 7, B 2, 4, 6, 8, and then asking number of power set of A intersection B, that asking, and options are printed to respectively 1, 2 raised to 8, 8 and 8 square. So students, very simple. First I declare only A intersection B. So A intersection B. Anybody? What is the A intersection B? Which numbers are common here between A and B? Nobody known? Yes, it is a null set. So number of elements in the power set of A, number of element of A intersection B is a 0. Now power sets for related that calculations. So here no elements. So number of element in power set of A intersection B, which is 2 raised to n, and n have 0, and n raised to 0 is a 1. A intersection B purely here telling null sets. So null set have no element. That's why I written number of elements A intersection B 0, and n of A intersection B formula you known. It is a subset 2 raised to n and 2 raised to 0, which is only and only 1. Yes, write properly. Okay students, now continue. One more question, last question I taking here, 12. If A subset B, then dash dash dash. This also option wise. I option wise declare my answer. And D is A union B is equal to A. Students, which option is true here? If you define by the drawing, A subset B means every element of A present in B. This is your A, that's your B, and That's a universal. So you check A intersection B is A. Yes, these are your correct answer, because A and B both have common A. So my option is A intersection B is equal to A. You can't write down null set. Intersection is B naught and union is A naught. So this is a correct. Here write down extra. Sometime printed A union B. Same question but option is different given. So what is the A union B? Completely sad B. Yes, this also true if you asking extra then. Okay students, so that's your finally done up to 12. Students, here I stop today class up to 12 questions, and up to further next 12 questions I explain you big related Venn diagrams I explain in the next day. Okay students, today class is over. Students, don't worry, you write properly.